And we're back to learning JavaScript. Let me show you how we can set up a constructor function for objects. Because usually you have a lot of objects of the same type. And it's easier just to set up a function to create these objects. Let's call this function player, regular brackets, curly brackets. So you write this just like you write regular functions. But usually you use an uppercase, so player isn't written with lowercase. It's an uppercase P. And then you use that for every object that you want to create. So let us, for example, say we have a team of players. So I use const and then my guard. It's an NBA team and we make that new player, regular brackets. So we call basically the function with new. Therefore player has to be written the same way. It has to have the same name as our function. And we want to give that player, our guard, a first name. Therefore we add first name as parameter here. And we pass LeBron as an argument to it. And we use this now with the keyword this dot, then first name, and this equals first name. So we use LeBron in our guard object. And this then passed on to the first name as the parameter of the player function. And this then be used in the code line below for this first name, and therefore our object will have the first name of LeBron. We need a last name, and let's say also age. So we add that here, James. And 40, we don't need quotation marks. So these will be our arguments. We pass it on as parameters to the function. And we have to have this dot last name equals last name and this dot age equals age. And once this is set up correctly, we can use this constructor now, but let us first print it out. I use document.write and my guard, and you can see we have an object now. So this object was successfully constructed. If I, for example, print out the first name, I use my guard dot first name. It should be LeBron. And it is. And a team is not just one player. We also need, let's say, a forward. So I'm making my forward. I use new player. And here I can now easily add Anthony Davis. So first name Anthony, last name Davis. I don't know what age he has. Let's say 32. And if I now print this out, I just change my guard to my forward. And we get the first name of Anthony because we have created the second object using our constructor function. And you can see here how much time this saves when you have to create a lot of objects. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.